Hello guys, welcome. How are you guys? Today I am telling you and how to earn money free. So we are going to click for money. I already make for video before like reference system equity coupon code, and now I am telling you again. So the next step, you can click this one, 2, 3, 4. Okay, click on the dollar. This one, this option. Back again. This option. Click this one, and now it will be rotating and you will get a diamond 50, 10, 5, 8, 15. Okay, 23. Click on this watch and pin. When the wait will complete this ad, then you will get. Okay guys, wait, and now wait few minutes, and this ad will be complete in 1 minute. Okay, it's completed. Now you can close this one, and now check this how much I will get. Oh, 15 diamond. And now you can back and check your diamond. Wait guys, sorry. This one 19 before I was got this, and 15 is my own. And again you can click on dollar and click on this was, and now again check. Already have 19, and now check again. Wait for 23 seconds. Okay guys, okay, please guys support me and subscribe my channel. I will get for you video new one, and you can also earn money free from YouTube, and I will give you good stick for money, earn money, very good interested stick for you soon. And now check this one. Okay, it's close this one, and now waiting for stop this one. When you stop it, then you will 15 again. It figured it, and now check back and check this clicking and 50. Before was 19 and now 34. Okay, and you can also read this one headline. You can request a payment of $8.5 with PayPal. If you have 8500 diamonds, you cannot make two requests at the same time. You must wait for one request to be processed before requesting another. Okay, I hope you understand me. When you go to 8500 diamonds, so you will get $8. Okay, you can again do it and do it again here, and again do it here. Now this last time I doing this. Oh wait guys, my net is not working. Say again, we need to restart the game, then you can do it again. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay guys, please subscribe my channel, press on the bell icon button for notification new video. If you are confused, so you can ask with me. Okay guys, and now here you can verify your this one, and you will get upload your data etc. You will get free 200 diamond. Okay, it take me to see one diamond. Okay, I hope you understand. You can again read this one. Upload your app review on the Play Store and earn 200 diamond. We have an images validation algorithm, but it is possible that sometimes the images need to be validated manually, so it may take a few hours to receive the diamond. I hope you understand guys. Okay, when you will upload their pictures for verification, then you will get 200 diamond free. Okay, and you will check it here and you will get here. And okay, then you can when completed 8,500 diamonds, then you can request the payment. Okay, you need at least diamond to request the whatever. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay guys, please bye, love you, and guys support me please. I need your support, or wait for not new video. Bye.